Hello everyone, I have come with chapter number 3, Money and Credits. This is a chapter from economics and we are completing all the chapters from SST and it's the series of social science where we are covering all the sections. And first we have started from economic sections. We have already completed two chapters before this, and now today we will complete money and credit. Money. Money acts as an the intermediate in the exchange process, and it is called the medium of exchange. In many of our day-to-day transactions, goods are being bought and sold with the use of money. The reason as to why transactions are made in money is that a person holding money can easily exchange it for any commodity or service that he or she wants. Next, double coincidence of wants. When in the exchange, both parties agree to sell and buy each other's commodities. It is called double coincidence of wants. Coincidence of wants. In the barter system, double coincidence of wants is an essential feature. Next, demand deposits in bank. Deposits in the bank account that can be withdrawn on demand. People need only some currency for their day-to-day needs. For instance, workers who receive their salaries at now I'm turning the page. It's from next. We can start from here. Although this chapter is a little bit lengthy, but these all content are very important, so you need to be aware and confident to fulfill and cover these all very important points properly. Yes, now I'm going to start. The end of each month have some extra cash. They deposit it with the banks by the opening a bank account in their name. Bank accept the deposits and also pay an interest rate on the deposits. Check. Paper instructing the bank to pay the specific amount from a person's account to the person in whose name the check is drawn. Reserve Bank of India. It is the Central Bank of India which controls the monetary policy of the country. Reserve Bank of India supervise the activities of formal sectors and keep the track of their activities, but there is no one supervise the functioning of informal sector. Periodically, banks have to submit information to the RBI on how much they are leading and to whom at what interest rate, etc. Credit, the activity of the borrowing and lending money between two parties. Collateral. Collateral is an asset that borrower owns, such as land, building, vehicles, livestock, deposits with banks, and uses this as a guarantee to a lender until the loan is repaid. Properties such as land, titles, deposits with banks, livestock are some common example of the collateral used for borrowing. Now I'm adjusting a little bit. I'm this here. Till here it's we have done till here. Now from starting from terms of credit, interest rate, collateral and documentation requirement and the mode of the repayment together comprise what is called the term of credit. The term of credit vary substantially from one credit arrangement to another. They may vary depending on the nature of the lenders and the borrower. Now, formal sector includes bank and cooperatives. RBS supervises the function of the formal sources of loans to see that the bank maintains a minimum cash balance and the monitors that these banks give loans not just a profit making business and traders, but also a small cultivators, a small scale industries, or to small borrowers, etc. Periodically, banks have to submit information to RBI for their activities. Now, next, informal sector includes money lender, traders, employer, relatives, friend, etc. There is no one to supervise their credit activities. They can charge whatever rate of interest. There is no one to stop them from using unfair means to get their money back. And next is self-help group SHG. A typical SHG has 15 to 20 members, usually belonging to a neighborhood who meet and save regularly. Saving per month varies from 25 to 100 rupees or more depending upon the ability of the people. Members take small loans from group itself to meet their needs. Thus, we have completed this chapter properly, and money and credit is very important. Just like there are many portions which we have already discussed here. SHG topic is really very important, which you need to keep revision, and you need to observe these all content properly. And after completing this series, I will come with some very important mixed question from all the sections, which is very important for to keep revision and to keep practice for that. So I will come with new chapters, globalization and the Indian economy. So keep revision.